Hey guys, this is the latest version of Chapchap agent, but with this latest version there are some upsets which will come along as you're using this version. So what is this upset is that if you're using this app, you're using it to do your mobile money, but with time you may lose your phone or you may buy a new phone and now you want to change to another phone, but it is not going to be very easy for you. So what are you going to do in that case? Or in case someone steals your phone, what are you going to do? It is not that you're just going to get a new phone and you log into that account. So what will happen if you get a new phone? You won't be able to log into that phone. If you think I'm deceiving you, you can try it on one. You just get another phone, then you try to log in using your account. What will you see? You will see something like this. For example, if I use one agent's number to log using in my phone, you see something like this here. This is what you will see: unrecognized device. Why is this thing displaying like this? With this latest version, they limited accounts to log your account from one phone to another. So now each account is supposed to be in one phone at a go. So if you buy a new phone or someone steals your phone, what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to first contact customer care in order to be able to access your account. So how do you contact customer care? So what you do in case you get a new phone, you try logging in, you click on login. So once you click on login, you obtain this screenshot. When you get this screenshot, you go to Chapchap customer care numbers. I've put the customer care number down in the description. You send a message on that customer care number. You ask for them to allow your account. Let's say your account is, you write the number you registered with, let's say this number. You say allow my account, this number, access this device. If your new phone, let's say it is Pop 2 Plus, you say allow my account, access my new device Pop 2 Plus from my old device, maybe K7. That's what you send there. After that, you also send there the picture of your national ID, the front part and the behind part. So that's what you send there, and then you wait after some few minutes such that you can be able to log into that device. So when you log in, it may not accept instantly. So what you do, you reset the pin. You click this reset pin. Once you click there, you set to a new pin. After setting, then you can be able to log into your new account on another phone. So that's what you do when you get a new phone, or in case someone steals your phone. So in case you want to know how to use this latest version, there is also a link down in the description. You can click on it and you learn how you can, all the features on how you can use on this latest version.